Hello viewers, welcome to Ronak's recipe. Today's recipe is all about chocolate ice cream. In summers, it's usually everyone's favorite. It's a very delicious, creamy and rich chocolate ice cream at home. So let's quickly start the recipe. So here I have taken 2 cups of milk, and firstly we have to boil this and then keep on stirring it till it becomes little thick. So here I am keep on stirring this, and when it will boil and cup rise up, you have to low down the flame. Now in low flame we have to make it thicker, and after it's thick, little thick, we will add dark compound chocolate. Here I have taken dark compound chocolate 100 gram, and I have grated this. You can cut into pieces and you can add this. Now we will mix it. Now we will take granulated sugar 4 tablespoons and add this and mix it low flame. Keep on stirring it. So now I will add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder inside the mixture and just mix it nicely. Now take a quarter cup of water and add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder inside it and mix it nicely and pour this inside the chocolate ganache, and the chocolate ganache will be ready. Now switch off the flame, and now we have to whisk this little so that there will be no lumps in it, and now let it cool down and come to a room temperature. Let it cool down for some time. Till then we will make the whipping cream. For making whipping cream, here we will take a steel container and freeze some ice in it from before, and on top of that I have again taken a steel container so that my cream is whipped smoothly and fast. I have already kept my container inside the freezer before an hour so that it becomes easy to whisk the cream. And now I will take out the whipping cream in a bowl. Here I have taken Cream Bell whipped cream. Firstly, I have added 2 tablespoons of whipping cream. Now just whisk it with your hand. If you have a hand blender or a whisk machine, you can use that either, or you can use your hands to whisk it. I know it will take a longer time, but it will turn out to be good. So you have to be patient and just keep on whisking it. Now we will again add 2 tablespoons of whipped cream, and again we have to whisk this with our hand. Now again I am adding 1 tablespoon of whipped cream. We will slowly add the cream in this so that the cream becomes smooth easily. It's taking longer time, but it will turn out really good. So whisk with your hand. You can see the texture is changing. It's becoming more fluffy and smooth. So now my whipping cream is ready. You can see the texture, it's so fluffy and so smooth. Now we have to add this whipping cream inside the chocolate ganache. So here I have taken the chocolate ganache which I have made earlier. Now add the whipping cream inside the chocolate ganache. Here first we will take slowly, add 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons and keep the rest aside. Firstly we will mix slowly and then we will add more in it. So we have to again whisk it. So we will whisk this again. Now we will add the leftover of whipping cream inside the mixture, and now again we have to whisk it till it becomes little smooth and rich and creamy. So we have to whisk very nicely. If you have a hand blender or a machine, whisk machine, you can use that. It's up to you. So you can put the ice from behind so that it is easier to whisk with your hands. So you can see the bubbles are forming. You can see how the bubbles have formed, and it's become very smooth and very creamy. Now we will add some choco chips on the top. If you have grated chocolates, you can use that also, but choco chips will be turn out really amazing. Now I have taken a Boracel container, or you can use airtight containers. Now we will pour the ice cream mixture inside the container, and just we will decorate or garnish with some choco chips. It's optional, but it will look amazing and it will be very tasty. So it's ready. My ice cream batter is ready. I have already added some choco chips inside. It's just for decoration. Now I will take a plastic wrapper and cover this from all the sides. So after covering this, we have to cut the edges and just pack it in an airtight container or just with a plastic wrapper. So now we will take a bowl of ice, and on top of that we will keep our ice cream batter container, and just we will keep this inside the freezer in the ice cream zone or a freezer, and after 8 to 9 hours we will open this, and as you can see my ice cream is ready. It has turned so good and so amazing. It's very delicious. So now I have taken an ice cream bowl, and now we will take a spoon or a home spoon or a scoop and just scoop it out in a bowl. It has come so nicely. It's very amazing. It's very delicious. You must try this at home. Decorate with some choco chips. Just try this recipe at home and enjoy with your families and friends. You can see if you have any queries regarding this, you can ask in the comment section. So if you like my recipe of ice cream, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.